Could be high 20s, maybe even low to mid 30s in Nova Scotia today. Prince Edward Island, a little cooler than that, but still it's summer weather. For Quebec, we're expecting to see highs somewhere around 35 degrees through Montreal. Very close, sticky kind of a day there. The Ottawa Valley is looking at highs around 35 or so. 30 in through Toronto, 29 in Windsor. It's up near 30 degrees in the Sioux, and 32 degrees in Thunder Bay. Manitoba looking at around 30 degrees in the south as well. Winnipeg, 26 or 27 through Saskatoon and Regina. Maybe a thunderstorm developing through Thompson, as you can see from our little thunderstorm icon. And we are going to be seeing a considerable amount of smoke into there as well due to the fires. From Saskatchewan to Alberta and British Columbia, look for some showers developing. A fair amount of cloud through most of the west today. Variable skies in the southern interior of BC, but sunshine in the northern coastal regions. Yukon is expected to be fairly sunny as well, although we may see a thunderstorm develop through the afternoon in Dawson. Nunavik about 20, Yellowknife at about 18, 10 degrees in Rankin, 8 degrees in Iqaluit. That's your national weather picture, coast to coast to coast. Now here's your business travel advisory.